Ever feel like your email inbox is a war zone? Between endless messages, missed deadlines, and the constant struggle to stay organized, it's easy to lose control. That's where email clients like Newton Mail come in. They promise to be your knight in shining armor, slaying the email dragon and bringing peace to your inbox. But is Newton Mail the hero you need, or is it just another app promising the world and delivering spam? Let's dive deep and see if Newton Mail lives up to the hype. First things first, security. Is your email safe with Newton Mail? This is a big one. After all, your inbox is a treasure trove of personal information. Newton Mail claims to prioritize user privacy. They don't sell your data to third parties, which is a good start. They also use industry-standard encryption to keep your messages safe. But here's the thing, security is an ongoing battle. No app is foolproof. While Newton Mail seems to take security seriously, it's always wise to be cautious. Don't send highly sensitive information through any email client, and be mindful of the links you click in your inbox. Okay, security check passed, with a side of caution. Now, what about the real question? Can Newton Mail help you conquer your inbox chaos? This is where things get interesting. Newton Mail boasts a bunch of features designed to boost your productivity. We're talking snoozing emails for later, scheduling messages to send at specific times, and even a unified inbox that brings all your accounts together. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's the catch. These features come with a price tag. Newton Mail isn't free. There's a free trial, but after that, you'll need to pay a monthly subscription to unlock the full range of features. So, is the premium worth it? Well, that depends. If you're constantly drowning in emails and desperate for a lifeline, Newton Mail's advanced features could be a game changer. But if you're a casual email user who can handle things with basic organization tools, the free version of Gmail or another free email client might be just fine. Now, let's talk calendar. This might surprise you, but Newton Mail actually has two faces. There's the email app, and then there's Newton Calendar, a separate app designed to work alongside Newton Mail. Here's the deal, on Android, the calendar is actually built into the Newton Mail app. But for iPhone users, it's a separate download. It integrates with Google and Exchange calendars, which is handy if you already have your schedule synced up there. The calendar itself is pretty slick. It offers a clean interface and helpful features like a schedule view that lets you see your upcoming events and free slots at a glance. Again, though, it's part of the paid subscription. So, the verdict? Is Newton Mail your inbox's knight in shining armor? It depends on your email needs and budget. If you're a power user willing to pay for premium features, it could be a great option. But for casual users who prioritize free services, there might be better choices out there. Remember, the best email client is the one that works for you. Do your research, try out the free trial, and see if Newton Mail helps you slay the email dragon or just adds another app to your already overflowing arsenal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.